Boom, milestone, 100 streams. 100 streams, can you believe that? I mean, I guess that was inevitable sooner or later. Either I would have had to have a really short project or given up to not hit 100. But still, it feels like a big milestone. Wait a second. Is that what that bug is? No? It seems to consistently repro here. What in the world? Alright, I've got a consistent repro case, so maybe I should address that. Even though it's not important for what I'm showing in the video. That is bizarre. Look at that mustache, though. This guy's got style. They're trying to build a nuclear-powered aircraft? Huh. Man, there's so much fun stuff out there. This is wild. It's the dangers of looking up reference pictures. You can easily get derailed, even when you're looking for trains. Factorio vibes. Oh. Yeah. Can see that. It's almost the exact same angle and everything too, isn't it? That's hilarious. Wow. I swear I've never seen this in my life, but it looks like I did the concept art for that, isn't it? That's insane. I assume you saw my tweet. I got Hugo up and running, which I don't know if you've used that before, but it's kind of neat because you can just fire up a local Hugo server and then you just go to localhost, and so I've got these little websites here. So I can just open up showcase.md and be like, new list item. And then as soon as I hit Control S, it updates right there. It's like super snappy. Select all this stuff. And this, and merge. Oh no, oh no. I must have had some stuff up here selected. Darn it, I did have stuff up there selected. Did not want to have that stuff selected. Oops. Merge all those together. Merge that. Ah, crap. Now I got something else in here. What? How did I? Ah. Stupidest little thing. This actually looks kind of cool on the inside. You draw it in any order and it's going to add. I don't know why this is cutting out though. Why is it cutting that out? It should just add on top. Does not make sense to me. Because this is a square. How did that get cut out? Maybe it's because I don't have an actual shader yet? I'm thoroughly confused by that. That makes no sense. Is it writing to the depth buffer? Oh! I'm dumb. The cone isn't carving into the square. It's getting overlapped by the geometry of the train there. And that, gosh, the way my brain was perceiving this is that this square should have been that light all the way through and then lighter when it was overlapped. But actually it should be this light all the way through and it's lighter when it gets overlapped there. Okay, everything's fine. Just a failure to perceive things properly. Huh, actually doesn't look too bad. But I'm curious what it looks like when I actually play the game. Okay, that's a problem. That's a problem. Alright, save that. Oh, we need to add wheels. Let's do that wheel quick. It's a low rider. Low rider rides a little higher. Let's add a cube. I had enough of your add a cube. Whoa, what happened there? You probably set that up so you just can't jump on that little bit of it right there. I'm gonna scooch that in a little bit. I thought I had the leg stretched out a little more. Seems like there's too much knee bend going on there. Yeah, the leg is stretched out. Why is it bent? Both of her legs are bent here. The feet are getting pushed way up. Her toe almost touches the top of her boot here. Which is weird because there's almost no rotation on that. Very little rotation. I'll probably completely zero that out. There was a little bit of rotation, not much. Yeah, so I think the rotation on the foot was fine. It's just the leg is in a different position. Oh, wait a second. She is offset here. Oh, I see what's going on. This thing got offset, but it wasn't keyframed. So I bet you if I go back to the default pose, and then I go to the follow loop pose, yeah, that's what the problem is. So let's see, Hugo new test / underscore index.md. And how do they have these things set up? Let's see if this worked. Okay. So I got a subsection thing. Where did tests come from with an S? Where did that I'm so confused. How did it generate tests? Plural. Where did that come from? It had services as a heading. Did I put test hero heading? And test thing. And this is a test. I never put tests. Where does that come from? Unless it's just not updating? Oh, now it updates. I'm really confused as to where that tests came from though. I don't think I ever had tests anywhere. But anyway, that I guess worked. This is in the theme. The business hours. What? I don't understand this. Why do people do this? Why are these themes set up so that they've basically got hard-coded HTML data in the theme? Like, what if you want to customize that stuff? I should just change it to put your business fist. Where's the about page? Content pages about. There it is. Let's keep it. keep it short and to the point. We put your business fist. We give your fist the business. I don't know that I'm ever gonna make that sound like a female voice. It's just gonna sound like chipmunk. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I was afraid it's gonna be an awkward sound. But what sound do you make when you die? All right, forget it. We're gonna do something different. I knew it was gonna be awkward. Loop it. Hang on. Terrible. More semitones. There we go. Max semitones. Lower the semitones and increase the performance. I think that just makes it more chipmunky.
This is a test talking high. This is a test talking high. This is a test talking high pitch.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm having tears. That caught me off guard. It sounds like a scream fart. I don't know what this is, Miggity Moogity. This is a disaster. Oh gosh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it through the stream. Pause stretch. Let's do it like 4 times. Let's do 8x. I'm gonna change the time resolution on that. Nailed it. Okay, that's one step. We're one step closer. I see what you mean, though, about that one sound sounding too squishy. There is that one that's like... It's just got this, like, sound to it. The hell sounds so different. Step 4 has got to be the one that sounds juicy. It's gotta be that one. So I've still got a lot of catching up to do, but I am one step closer to compiling a bunch of the clips from the Fist of the Forgotten development so far. Stream 100 puts us at about 10% of the way there, and hopefully you found this at least half as amusing as I have. Huge thanks to my patrons for funding some of these ridiculous sound creations and other development nonsense. If you want to become a patron to support these videos and stuff, you do also get access to my early development builds of Kook and Fist of the Forgotten and possibly whatever other projects I end up working on. You can also play the Fist of the Forgotten demo on Steam if you want to hear what the final death sound ended up becoming. That's all for this week. Time to pop out of here.